isimo sokuhlala kahle besitoba ngqono maqabanga
yeah
because into lebenikhala ngayo kakhulu I think in the education system ukuthi konke benifunza mhlawumbe ngeAfrikaans okunye kwetinto
yeah the English bese ikhona after it's post 76
after the war and
yeah even before English bekhona ekubona amabhoni babesatshintsha le police wamkibe isale Afrikaans kuze kube khona
le strike
yena kusele yaqhubeka ke nale English
so but because mina ngikhulumela if uhlala nabantu abadzala labaningi bakutshela ukuthi hey batswalo siwayi bayifaka le system engene nyalo because beyaqala ucishe beyingcono even if behlukubetana mara beyingcono than bakubona nyalo into yokucala nje le maborder awasacontroleki because into limade kakhulu kulamaborder
i-mentality yethu bantu ukuthi nale government lesibuyo nyalo simo nyalo singcono kakhulu nedi ngoba sikunale corruption
that's
why inesekubonakala even uma service delivery
yabona
besingakathi ukuthi kumele uchinge ngeze bekhala
ikhona
man kusimanda avalo yabona into njalo service delivery nale lama infrastructure wakhona ikontiri ukungakupha ukubona icontrol we delivering quality that is why abantu bese bakhumbula
losikhathi
ukuthi mabhundu angcono ngoba zonke lokhu nabantu abamnyama njalo baba bazotsha le mazi bafake ekwameni fabana ngebushaka mawufuna umsebenzi sokufuna ukuthi wathana so belungile wayisebenzisa wangasebenzisa we transparent onke into ihamba straight
but you vote
yes I do
okay so ekhaya uyajuza ukudominate kakhulu inkolo isintu besingadominate kakhulu
no babatali bami Christians bami bekamfundisi